Hello, Andrea Ross here from the Career Establishment and founder of WIRA. I want to say a huge thank you to everybody that responded to my video last week in regards to putting their hands up to be a mentor for Women in Recruitment Asia. Oh my gosh, we are up to 35 people already, spanning across the region, mixture of recruitment leaders, heads of desks. We've also got some really exceptional mentors from the HR profession. So thank you. That means a great deal, and that's going to make a huge difference to the female recruiters that will be joining WIRA. Now, this video is about company members. For all recruiters, female recruiters, to enjoy the services of WIRA, we need company members to sign up. And we've already got some really established brands already that have reached out to be a member. And so I'm calling out to all those recruitment businesses across the region that want to send their employees along to events from June. They will get to be developed. There'll be discounted programs that they can be exposed to. There'll be keynote speaking, webinars, network opportunities, mentoring. So please reach out at Andrea@womeninrecruitmentasia.com. Can't wait to hear from you.